China is making major advancements in military technology, and one of its latest projects involves developing an invisibility suit for soldiers. Reports suggest they are on the verge of a breakthrough that could revolutionize defense strategies. However, new intelligence reveals an even more surprising development. China is also designing an invisibility suit for its robotic dogs. This cutting-edge technology is intended to make these robotic units undetectable on the battlefield. The suit is designed to hide them from both visual and thermal detection by using specialized materials that absorb light and heat, making them difficult to spot with infrared and night vision equipment. This stealth advantage could significantly enhance reconnaissance and covert military operations. Pushing the boundaries of robotic warfare, the Chinese military already uses robotic dogs for tasks like patrolling, reconnaissance, and demining, but this new invisibility upgrade could significantly enhance their effectiveness. Since details of the project remain classified, experts can only speculate on its full potential. Some believe the technology could be expanded beyond robotic dogs to other autonomous combat systems, improving the Chinese Army's mobility and adaptability on the battlefield. Meanwhile, the U.S. Army is also advancing in unmanned military technology. As part of Operation Hard Kill at Fort Drum, they have been testing robotic dogs developed by Ghost Robotics. These quadruped robots are armed with an AR-15 rifle and a targeting system designed to counter aerial and ground threats. One of their key advantages is remote operation, allowing soldiers to control them from a safe distance using a specialized tablet. Equipped with laser and infrared targeting, these robots can navigate rugged terrain, making them valuable assets for reconnaissance, perimeter defense, and battlefield support. Their ability to patrol and quickly respond to threats enhances their role in modern military operations. China and Cambodia recently conducted joint military exercises, showcasing the next generation of robotic warfare. During these drills, the Chinese military demonstrated the capabilities of their quadruped robotic dogs, which resemble machines straight out of science fiction. These robots, armed with automatic rifles, are designed for urban combat, capable of identifying and engaging targets autonomously. The exercises took place in Cambodia's central Kong Chang province and along its coast, involving over 2,000 troops. The drills featured a significant display of military power, including 14 warships, 2 helicopters, and 69 armored vehicles and tanks. The training focused on combat tactics, counter-terrorism, and rescue operations. However, the robotic dogs were the main highlight, emphasizing China's advancements in autonomous warfare. These 4-legged machines, remotely operated and armed, could play a crucial role in future military engagements. China's rifle-equipped robotic dog is based on the Unrigoto model, which is available for purchase at prices ranging from $1,800 to $3,000, depending on the version. This advanced machine features an ultra-wide LiDAR system, a controller, and supports large language model AI functions. Weighing around 15 kilograms, it is built from a combination of aluminum alloy and high-strength plastic. It can reach speeds of up to 3.5 meters per second, while carrying a payload of up to 8 kilograms, with a battery life of approximately 2 hours. Meanwhile, the U.S. military is also working to advance its own robotic warfare capabilities. In recent tests, the U.S. Marine Corps equipped an Unrigo-1 robotic dog with a modified M72 grenade launcher. The goal is to enhance urban combat strategies by allowing soldiers to engage targets from a safe distance or from behind cover. The robot's weapon system features a mount designed to hold and fire the handheld M72 grenade launcher, assisted by a forward-facing GoPro camera for targeting. A test video released by the military shows the launcher firing from a static position, stabilized by sandbags to manage recoil and ensure safety. Interestingly, the robotic dog used in these tests is manufactured by a Chinese company, highlighting the complex global dynamics of emerging military technologies. The Chinese company Kestrel Defense recently tested its firearm-equipped robotic dog, known as Bloodwing. Designed for military operations, Bloodwing is built for strike missions behind enemy lines. A recent demonstration of this advanced technology gained widespread attention online when the robot was shown being deployed from a drone before engaging in combat. With a firearm mounted on its back, Bloodwing can be airdropped into difficult-to-reach locations, such as building rooftops or enemy strongholds, where it can provide fire support. This ability allows military forces to suppress enemy positions while keeping human soldiers at a safe distance. Visually similar to Boston Dynamics' Spot robot, Bloodwing is specifically engineered for combat, enhancing its effectiveness in tactical operations. According to Kestrel Defense, this robot is a key component in developing a three-dimensional assault strategy, adding a new layer to modern warfare. At the International Military Technical Forum Army 2024, the Kalashnikov company put on a striking display featuring robot dogs performing a synchronized dance. Dressed in camouflage, these robotic units moved in perfect coordination, demonstrating the growing potential of robotics in military operations. The performance captivated the audience, highlighting how autonomous systems are becoming an essential part of modern defense strategies. The Army Forum is not just an exhibition for cutting-edge weaponry, but also a showcase for dual-purpose technologies that have both military and civilian applications. Alongside the robot dogs, the event featured robotic deminers, rescue stretchers, and other advanced systems designed to improve efficiency and safety in various operations. This demonstration emphasized the expanding role of robotics in both combat and humanitarian missions. A battlefield engineer and YouTube creator from the channel I Did a Thing Recently conducted an experiment where he mounted an automatic weapon onto a robot dog made by the Chinese company Unveils. Unitree, the manufacturer behind these quadruped robots, produces machines that closely resemble Boston Dynamics designs. Typically, models like the popular Unitree Go 1 are used for logistics, patrolling, research, and even entertainment. However, this experiment raised concerns about the potential risks and ethical implications of weaponizing such technology. While the project was largely satirical and intended to attract attention, it highlighted the dangers of arming autonomous machines. Meanwhile, Chinese engineers continue to push the boundaries of robotics. One of their latest breakthroughs is a high-tech police robot designed to autonomously patrol streets and track down offenders. Unlike traditional robotic designs, this innovative security bot has a spherical shape and operates entirely using artificial intelligence. It can reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour, navigate different terrains, including rough surfaces and even water, and withstand impacts and falls. This advanced police unit could redefine law enforcement, opening up new possibilities for using robotic technology to maintain public order. Which of these robots do you find the most impressive? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.